Hello, friends. Today I will cook Spanish fish. You probably know how delicious it is. But the homemade Spanish fish will be especially delicious. I have river fish on the menu today. Look how beautiful she is. For the recipe you will need fish fillet 300 grams, onions 200 grams, bell pepper 200 grams, garlic 5 cloves, olive oil 50 grams, salt, black pepper, apple cider vinegar 20 milliliters. First step, let's prepare a fish fillet. It can be both sea fish and river fish. Brush the fish fillets with olive oil, add a little salt and pepper, and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius (355 degrees Fahrenheit) for 20 minutes. Step 2. While the fish is in the oven, let's make a Spanish side dish. Usually these hot people serve fish only with garlic sauce, which I will also cook today. But I decided to add my secret, bell peppers and onions, which I cook using the technology of Cantonese cuisine, stir fry. Peel the onion, cut into small half rings and fry over medium heat until half cooked. Then I add bell peppers to the onions. Once the vegetables are a little soft, they are done. Step 3. How to make garlic sauce, a Spanish fish secret. Cut the garlic into small slices, fry in olive oil, and add apple cider vinegar at the very end. If you don't like apple cider vinegar, you can add lemon juice. But I really love the smell of apples in this dish, so I use homemade apple cider vinegar. Once all the ingredients for the Spanish fish are ready, you can put the dish on the table. Make a vegetable side dish for the fish. Place the fish on top of the garnish and top it with garlic sauce. Bon appétit! Subscribe to my channel, there will be many interesting recipes. Enjoy your meal.